family word an, and family word ad. These are the consonants we are going to use. Letter C, letter D, letter M, and letter G. The sound of these consonants are k, k, d, d, g, g. Can, man, dan, dad, mad, glad. Well done.